In this video, we are going to show you how to export the contents of your ATPX file database to an Excel spreadsheet. This allows you to see the details in any ATPX file that is currently being used. You can use the Launch Project Device Editor command, which opens a utility to display the contents of the database. Here it is displayed for you. The important step in this process is to click on the project templates to see which templates you have loaded into your ATPX file when it was created. Here we have loaded Notifier and System Sensor. If you started your project with different manufacturer templates, such as Gamewell, Advanced, or Generic templates, those would appear here. The function we are demonstrating to export your device list to an Excel spreadsheet depends on which templates are loaded. After opening this utility, use the Export Devices command. This will show you the target directory for the Excel file. In this case, we will navigate to a different directory and place our Excel spreadsheet there by clicking that option. Now Excel will open automatically if it is installed on your computer. And this is the list of all the components in your database. Notice there are different columns, and you can select and sort. For example, we can unselect all if you only want to see Notifier parts. Click OK, and now we are only looking at Notifier parts. Depending on what you select and which column you are viewing, you will see the category, the part type, and all the raw data from the FireCAD database. Here is the part number, which is likely what you want to see. You can sort that A to Z for easier viewing. Some columns may not be important, but as you continue over, you will see the standby current and the alarm current. These values are not associated with every device and depend on whether they have multiple settings. This process will not give you every possible detail from your parts database or ATPX file, but it will provide quite a bit of information, likely more than you need if you are mainly looking for part numbers. This process should show you everything needed to export your database contents to an Excel spreadsheet. When you are finished, you will want to exit from the utility, and then you can open your Excel spreadsheet separately since it is saved in the folder you selected as a separate document.